The rejection letter sat on the kitchen table, mocking me with its bold red stamp. My heart sank as I read the words, "We regret to inform you that your loan application has been denied due to your credit score." I felt defeated, like a failure. How had it come to this? Years of irresponsible spending and missed payments had caught up to me, leaving me in a financial mess. Desperate for a solution, I turned to AIM Credit Repair LLC. Their website promised to help boost my credit score and improve my financial standing. Skeptical, but willing to try anything, I filled out their online form and waited anxiously for a response. To my surprise, a friendly representative from AIM Credit Repair LLC reached out to me the next day. They explained their process and assured me that they could help me turn my credit score around. With a renewed sense of hope, I signed up for their services and began working closely with their team. Over the next few months, I watched in amazement as my credit score steadily climbed higher and higher. Thanks to the expertise and dedication of AIM Credit Repair LLC, I was able to reapply for the loan, and this time it was approved. I couldn't believe it. I was finally on the path to financial stability, all thanks to their help.